Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Teams and signing in. This ensures settings apply to the correct account. Once signed in, make sure the app is up to date because language support can change between releases. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. This first action opens the exact panel where language options live. Do it now so you can modify display, proofing, and region controls without delay. You'll change the app language under Settings General Language, where display and proofing choices appear. Select your preferred language from the list. If a language needs an extra download, Teams will prompt you, accept and wait for the files to finish. Once the selection and any downloads complete, restart Teams so the interface reloads in the new language. Doing it this way ensures menus, notifications, and system messages update consistently across your client. You should now verify that menus, chat timestamps, and notifications display in the chosen language. This confirms the change propagated. Remember that mobile and web versions may need separate language changes or sign out/sign in to sync preferences properly. If something looks off, clear the Teams cache or reinstall the app. These steps fix corrupted files that block language updates. If issues persist, switch back to the prior language, restart, and attempt the change again to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.